friends, this is Madhavi from Kingmakers IAS Academy. I'm proud to announce that Kingmakers IAS Academy main strategic learning program has given a best quality test. This is reflected in the reflection of our essay test. Here we have the four questions, which is consisting of 2 questions from section A and 2 questions from section B. This is reflected in our MSLP test. This is giving a great confidence for the students, especially when there is a reflection of 2 questions in section A and 2 questions in section B. Because they would have brainstormed, at least they would have viewed the questions in the practice test. So this will give a great confidence for the candidates, I hope. So this reflection is here. We are seeing that second question about the empires of the future will be the empires of the mind has been reflected in a similar meaning that is reflected in essay test 1. That is, a wise man will be the master of his mind. A fool will be its slave. This question is about how you have to control the mind to control your future or control the future of the world. So then the third question, wherein UPSC has asked about happiness. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. Similarly, in MSLP, there is a question about happiness. See here, it is one of the secrets of happiness that you know which battles you can win and which you can't. So this has reflected in the mock test. And in the 7th question that UPSC has asked, all ideas having large consequences are always simple. It means we have to think about very simple ideas, and this simple ideas will result in a greater consequences is what the question is about. Similar question has been asked in the mock test, that is, small good decisions will lead you to the glorious path of success. And the last question, 8th, the cost of being wrong is less than cost of doing nothing. So everybody has to make participation very much necessary to succeed. So because there are lots of people who fear or they don't participate because of the fear of making mistakes. Similar question has been asked in the MSLP ethics test. This is a continuous success of MSLP program, because last year also there was a quote which was asked in MSLP ethics test, which has already reflected in the last year essay of UPSC. So similarly, we have this cost of being wrong is less than the cost of doing nothing. There is a quote which was asked in ethics. The greatest mistake you can make in the life is to be continually fearing you will make one. So this is evident of the quality. I thank and I proudly have to honor this R&D team who has worked behind this, making this much quality and question which can reflect in the UPSC. So thank you R&D team, and thank you Kingmakers, and I wish all the good luck for the students who are appearing for the MSLP program, and all the students, I pray for all of them to make it a great success. Your dreams will come true. Thank you.